Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for attending our very first appreciation night. And of course, the focus for tonight is really for us, which is a ViA, to show our appreciation to all of you. And we shall start in the next couple of minutes.
I've been a subscriber for more than a year.
About a year?
About 2 years now.
1 long week.
Since the start of it.
4 weeks.
About 3 years, coming to 3 years, yeah.
My second year.
I would say it's been a really good 2 years for me. In terms of analysing the company, in terms of making the right decision. So yeah, I would say it's good.
You guys are doing such a great job. You all can read our mind, what we are looking for. Everything is there. It's all the case studies. I cannot believe all the time that all the coaches and everyone just contributed. It's very, very detailed.
For me, in terms of the mobile app experience, right, I really like it because whenever I'm on MRT, I have nothing to do. I just take out and watch.
It has a lot of very detailed information. It helps you to save time, it helps in the analysis, and whenever you watch the case presentations by the authors, it really does give you a lot of extra knowledge.
It has helped me tremendously in the sense that it allows me to take the one-shot IV page there, and it helps me filter out whatever companies I am interested in. It's also quite intuitive. It really shortcuts my investing journey.
So again, thanks for coming, and we're going to start our appreciation night.